What is going on, guys? I'm going to do a part 2 video of this Diag cart because I put all my stuff on it and I wanted to show you what I had. So it's the same cart as before with the shelf and the boom, and I got the laptop over here, got the V500 Pro from Diag Tool with all the goodies inside it. There's an OBD2 breakout box, Anchor Bluetooth speaker. This is an X Tool scan tool dongle, multimeter, assorted things like the tool to make the vacuum leaks. I got another OBD breakout cable here. This is some stuff for the smoke testing machine, spark tester, light for load testing, piezo pressure tester / speaker. These are the breakout leads, test light, top-down battery tester, scan tool, Foxwell, the little breakout panel for the relays. This is X Tools scan tool I got running on an old Galaxy 8 tablet. This is some stuff I just keep in this box here, like the signal generator, the potentiometers. You've seen a lot of this stuff before, probably. The coins for the coil plugs. The thing to hold the door switch open. More stuff in here, you know, leads, fuse buddy, some piercing probes, and then some more stuff in there. Nothing very exciting. A little test light, battery, some cables for connecting to the battery. And then over here I have a M12 battery, which I can use to actually charge other lights. So right now I have my neck light plugged in there and charging. I've got some of these Craftsman wrenches here on the side, which I got on sale, so I just picked those up, threw in an extra wrench, 19 millimeter. Down here is some of the tools I showed you guys already, like these wrenches, which are Facom knockoffs. This Harbor Freight bit set. This is a Craftsman ratcheting screwdriver which is pretty nice. This is a Craftsman 3/8 drive socket set. This is a endoscope, which you can hook up to your Android phone, which actually works pretty well. Trim tool set here. This is for AC work. It's just a thermometer and an infrared temperature gun. This is my old power probe. This is tape I use to tape those sensors down onto the coil to pick up the ignition signal. Harbor Freight logic probe. Down here's an Ansel smoke tester with the assorted hoses. Got a mechanic stethoscope here. This is a bag just to throw stuff in when I need to go do something. Here's a Pittsburgh AC manifold gauge set, and I also picked up a can of refrigerant with that. And again, the same as before, these cans are just on a magnet on the other side there. And then the boom is basically the same as before. I just kind of hung some more stuff up here. I've got this lead hook that I made out of some plastic. I just traced it out and cut it, and I'm holding my multimeter leads on that. And then these are some more leads for plugging the M12 battery in, and it's kind of the same as before, right? I got this amp clamp for the oscilloscope, and I've got this amp meter, clamp meter, AI Astro AI clamp meter. Here's a Picoscope 2204A, and some of these leads I got to just create a bulkhead, just to, you know, protect the scope basically. And then I keep this attenuator on here to remind me to use it. And I think that's pretty much the whole thing, right? The USB comes down here and goes across the back and then just connects to the computer. So I think that's pretty much the whole thing. The shelf folds, right? What else did I miss? And I've got some tools over here, you know, just like some Icon pliers, Milwaukee knife, some of these like little nut setters. Let's see around the back here real quick. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for checking it out. Let me give you a zoom out for just like the maximum effect here. Whoosh. Take care, dudes.